Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a really fun, simple card made with our gorgeous new rainbow glimmer paper. Now this paper is a stunner. For only $8.25 you get two 12 by 12 sheets of super gorgeous, sparkly rainbow paper for your projects, and there is so much fun stuff that you can do with it. The only supplies that you'll need for this card are a white card base of 8.5 by 5.5 inches and a strip of rainbow glimmer cardstock that is 12 inches long by 1 inch wide. I wanted to change up the fold of this card a little bit, so in addition to folding it in the center, I've also scored it at 3/4 of an inch from that center fold line. My first step is that I'm going to run my card base through my cutting machine using this Ornate Borders dies. And I want to show you how this die works because I didn't actually understand it myself at first. So see how it's got these two pokey outy bits on the end? That's a technical term. Those bits show you where the cutting line is on this die. So if we flip it over, we can see from this end, and it runs all the way along out to this pokey outy bit. So that's going to be your cutting line. In order to create the gorgeous negative image that you want on this card, you've got to run the cardstock through the machine with the pokey outy bits towards the edge of your card. Now, if you run it through the machine with the pokey outy bits towards the inner edge of the card, here's what you would get. So I'm going to run it through the machine with these pokey outy bits towards the outside edge of the card. And let me show you what it looks like. So that is what we want it to look like. And I'm going to do a little bit of work with my die brush tool to take out all those little bits in the center. Okay, so now my cardstock has this beautiful border on the edge. And now I'm going to add a sentiment from this new stamp set, Ridiculously Awesome. This is a fantastic stamp set from the annual catalog, and it's actually going to be the featured product in the September Creativity to Go. So if you're interested in receiving this stamp set, plus the prepared supplies and tutorials to make 5 cards using these wonderful sentiment stamps, be sure to sign up for the September Creativity to Go kit on my website. Going to put some adhesive between the two score lines on this card. Remember, we've got the score line here and a second one here. And what I want to do is actually put some adhesive right in between here so that this portion of the card is going to stick down like that, and it's going to open this way. Like a book. I've kind of created this binding edge, and I'm going to decorate it too with rainbow glimmer paper. So with the rainbow glimmer paper, I'm going to cut this strip into 2 pieces that measure 5.5 inches each. And then I'm going to run one of those strips through the cutting machine with another one of the dies from the Ornate Borders. Is right on this binding edge that we've created, and that's kind of why I left this solid space here so that I would have a place to be able to apply the adhesive. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this card. And the great thing about working with rainbow paper is that pretty much any embellishment that you have is going to go with rainbows. Come on, it's a rainbow. You can't go wrong. I've got some gold glitter enamel dots and some frosted and clear epoxy droplets. These are both from the annual catalog, and I'm just going to plunk these around my card wherever I think they're going to look pretty. There's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, please just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go. Once a month, you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. And remember, the September featured product is this ridiculously awesome stamp set. I'm also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. You can find all these details on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own virtual party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!